What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So I got a 2016 Chevrolet 3500 HD with the dual rear wheels, and the customer decided to ignore the grinding coming from the rear of the vehicle, and they literally drove the pads off the car. You can see how badly worn down the rotor is. This side is supposed to look like that, and since they did that, they end up pushing the pistons all the way out, causing the seals to start leaking. Unfortunately, on these ones, you have to remove the axle shaft. There's a seal behind there that you should replace. There's also a seal on the backside of the rotor that you should replace as well. So let's see if the customer decides they want to do it or take it somewhere else.